The Brookesia nana is just like any other chameleon, except that it's very, very small. In one of my previous videos, I talked about the Jaragua lizard and how it was one of the smallest lizards ever. But the newly discovered Brookesia nana, or the nano-chameleon, is even smaller than the 16mm Jaragua lizard. They only found 2 of the nano-chameleon when they discovered it in 2012. The nano-chameleon is only 13.5 millimeters long. That's about half an inch, or the size of a marble. Sadly, due to deforestation, the Brookesia nana is listed as endangered because of deforestation in its habitat in Madagascar. Luckily, now the area is protected, so the species has a better chance of survival. So far, this is the smallest lizard ever, but some scientists think that we only know about 1/8 of the world's creatures. So there could be a new smaller lizard out there. Who knows all the creatures that haven't even been discovered yet?